Now, students, in this stanza, the knight is described. The knight is describing what he did to enjoy the company of the beautiful lady without mercy. He said that I made a garland for her head. It means he prepared a garland for her head. And bracelet too. Bracelet means the uh, flowery band which the ladies generally wear on the wrist. And he said that, and I made bracelets too, and fragrant zone. Fragrant means scented, zone means girdle, kardhani जिसे बोलते हैं. And he said that I made a scented flowered girdle for her that she would wear on the waist. She looked at me as she did love. And he is saying forward that she looked me with a sense, and he showed me the sense that she loved me. She looked at me as she did love. She looked at the eyes of the knight as she wanted to tell that she loved him too much, and made sweet moans. And that lady and made sweet moans means sigh of love. Moan means sigh of love, means प्रेम की आह भरना. And made sweet moan, and she showed her love to the knight at arms in all the way possible. I set her on my pacing steed. यानी मैंने उसे अपने पेसिंग स्टीड यानी तीव्र स्पीड वाले स्टीड मीन्स हॉर्स पे बैठाया. एंड नथिंग एल्स सॉ ऑल डे लॉन्ग, और पूरे दिन भर और कुछ नहीं किया. वी ऑल both of us were going on and on the heavy speed horse. Far sidelong would she bend. Once while we were going on, sitting on the horse, she saw my face and sing a fairy song. He is saying, the knight is saying that she sang a beautiful fairy song for me. She found me roots of relish sweet. Found me, listen again. She found me roots of relish sweet means she gave me the tasty sweets. Relish means taste, sweet means मीठे, means sweet taste के roots उसने मुझे दिए, means fruits or other things that were sweet in taste. And honey wild, and she offered me the honey that the wild bees have gathered, from the hives of. And honey wild, listen again. And honey wild means honey gathered from the hives of wild bees. She offered to me that honey that have been gathered from the hives of the wild bees. And manna dew, and she gave me the sweet drink which has the divine qualities. Manna dew means the sweet drink that has the divine quality. She offered to the knight at arms. And sure in language strange she said, and certainly in strange language she said that I love thee too, that she loved me very much. Next, she took me to her elfin grot. Elfin grot means mysterious cave. Then he is saying that the lady have carried me, or both of us have gone to her mysterious cave, and there she wept and sighed full sore. And there in the cave she showed me that she loved him very deeply. And next, and there I shut her wild eyes, and there I shut her wild eyes means I also showed that I love him